Hi everyone, this is the Microlearn AI, your AI mentored tutoring lesson for all the students, for everyone. With your existing account, and all you need is your email ID to sign up. As soon as you go in, you'll see the portal that shows all the different lesson options, Python, generative AI, and then coding interview prep. Let's go with the Python. I want to learn about Python mastery. So let's go ahead and add that for a student. And then as soon as you do that, we have all the lessons that are being shown for the students. They can click on day one, which is the first day's lesson. The student is going to be able to click. And as soon as they click, they will be able to see the content that's generated directly for that particular student.
Yeah.
All right. So now we're at the lesson number one, which is basically the Python installation and your first day program. This provides it, and now we jumped into the lesson for day two, and today's lesson is about variables, data types, and basic operations. So it provides a high-level overview of what are the different concepts of the data, and then just puts you into the practice playground. So let's go ahead and take a look at how the practice works with our AI mentor.
Hi there. How's the practice going today with variables and data types?
Yes, I'd like to go ahead and do the practice today. Can you help me start?
Sure, I can help with that. We can start with some basic variable creation. Do you want to try creating a number or a text variable first?
Let's start with the text variable. What do I need to do?
To create a text variable, you can assign a string of characters to a name. For example, name equals Esan. You can try making your own.
Okay, let's give it a try and see how it works. Is this correct?
Great! Once you've got that line of code, we can try printing it out to see the result.
Okay, let's click run and see how it works.
All right.
It does seem to be working.